Hey y'all, welcome back. Welcome if you're new. My name is Kimi and today we are on day 2 of our 7-day cleaning challenge. So today I'm going to be cleaning the kitchen. I have some everyday cleaning to do in here. We had spaghetti last night. But I want to do the floors. I want to wipe down the cabinet doors. We'll probably wipe down the sink. I'm also going to be cleaning the microwave, the inside of the oven, and I'll probably clean a few shelves in the refrigerator as well. Also need to clean the outside of the refrigerator because it's got little prints all over it. And I'm going to wipe down our trash can. So join me in this cleaning challenge. Let me know what you're cleaning down below. I will leave the checklist up here on the screen if y'all want to screenshot these. And let's go ahead and get cleaning.
In the Mr. Clean Freak and the citrus scent to clean the outside of my trash can. And I have not cleaned this thing in a very long time, so it's definitely needed. I did notice on the checklist it doesn't mention the trash can for the kitchen, but it does mention it for the laundry area. Y'all, I don't have a trash can in my laundry area because I don't have a laundry room. I just have like a laundry hall. So anyways, I went ahead and did that. I really liked doing this. I liked having a list to look at and start just checking things off the box. And if y'all enjoy this, if the videos do well, which is kind of how I gauge if it's something to do again, I can do this again. I just think it's great because it's a routine. It's a foundation of like, okay, you do this on Monday, do this on Tuesday, you have 7 days to get all of these done. You can focus on one room at a time, or if you have a bigger house, you might have to do 2 rooms at a time. Just form it to however it works for you. Everything is adjustable. I found this checklist off of Canva, and I only took out one part of the categories because I think it was originally created for cleaning services. So what's really neat is all of these things that we're checking off the box would be things that a cleaning service would come in the house and clean up. So I guess if you want your house to look like a cleaning service came and professionally cleaned it, then this checklist is a good one. The first thing on our checklist is to wipe down the countertops, but I'm actually going to go ahead and do the top row of cabinet doors first, and then I will get to the countertops. I would also suggest doing your backsplash before you do the countertops, even though backsplash was not on the checklist. But I actually did the backsplash. I believe I did that in the last video, which was posted yesterday. So after this video, if y'all want to go watch that one, hello. I didn't edit that part out. You can. It's just another cleaning video. I like making cleaning videos. It is a routine aspect for me. I just like having the routine of it all. But y'all know I post other videos. Like if I get bored, I'm gonna go film a shop with me. But this week we're just gonna focus on cleaning, especially because we are snowed in. I would say we probably have like 2 inches of snow out there. At first it was ice, and now it is snow, and it is cold. On my computer it says it's 25 degrees. Earlier today it was 18 degrees. So it's pretty chilly out there, but not the coldest. I know some of y'all have much colder weather than we do in North Carolina, and I've been seeing people from North Carolina on TikTok saying that they didn't get snow, and all the North Carolinians going to the store and buying all the milk and bread for what. And I've just posted pictures of the snow on my porch because some of us did get snow. And I'm not even in the mountains or anything. We're in the middle of North Carolina. So anyways, I'm going to quit rambling. I'm going to finish wiping down the countertops, and then I'm going to move on to the bottom row of cabinets.
I could probably use some heartbreak to get moving. Tired of the way you let me down. You fill me up with broken promises, 'cause you never keep them. I'm so sick of the way you let me down. So
So this is the side of the cabinet and the wall where we normally have our trash can, and it's super dirty. I'm also going to get that sticker off of the side of there, but I'm just going to go ahead and get this wiped down. That way all this area is cleaned up and there's no nastiness over here.
you let me down.
The third thing on our checklist is to clean sink and faucet. So I do have some dishes I'm going to get done first, and then I'll go ahead and clean the sink.
Try. I don't like all the things you do. Mess with my head. Just pick me up, let me down like you don't care. This is all my time.
The next two things on our cleaning checklist are the stovetop and the door, and then also the inside of the oven. So I recently just used the Wayman's cream on my stovetop. So just for today, I'm going to be using the Wayman's Daily Cleaner, which is a spray. And then I am going to be using that also on the glass part of the oven door. And then I'm going to use the stainless steel spray from Wegmans on the stainless steel part of the oven door. Y'all, I hope you know that a big part of the voiceover is me just like, I don't always know what to say, but I know a lot of you like to have narration in the video. So, sometimes I may sound awkward, but it's just who I am, and I like me. So, I know, like, I don't even have to mention it, but I know that it, like, sometimes it takes a lot for me to get my words out. There's a lot of gaps in between the words. I'm like a little sing-songy. Some of y'all have mentioned that my voice changes a lot in tone, and I literally can't help it. I have tried to make it sound like I just have one singular voice all the time because that comes natural to some people, but I do not have that. What comes out of there is just what it is. You know what I mean? Like, I do not. I can try, but I don't. It's very hard. It's like it would be very taxing on me to try to talk like however I'm supposed to. I don't know. I mean, I think I'm doing just fine, to be honest, but I do know that my voice kind of comes out that way. And that's a bunch of rambles. Anyways, I'm trying, is what I'm getting at. I'm going to get the microwave clean. I did spray the daily cleaner on the front of it, and then on the inside of it, I think I used the Mrs. Meyer's, and I also used the Mrs. Meyer's, I think it's the, oh my goodness, I don't know which one it is. It's the green wrapper. Anyways, I used that in the inside of the oven because I didn't want to use like a harsh cleaner. Like, I feel like the Mr. Clean cleaner is more harsh smelling, and when I go to cook in there, I wasn't sure like how that would work. I don't have an oven cleaner, so I just figured I would use the Mrs. Meyer's one. It worked pretty good. Also, it's really hard to reach in there, so I don't know. Next time I might just see if it's possible to like remove the door, but that seems like a big hassle. But do any of y'all have oven doors like that where it's kind of hard to like get in there and clean? It might be from where the oven is, because I have this like cabinets on the side, so I only have one side I can get in there with, and I definitely did not want to lean on the glass door and possibly like crack it or something. So anyways, sorry.
I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive in with you.
Alright, so the microwave is done. I am moving on to the last thing on the checklist for me, which is the refrigerator. I'm going to clean a little bit of the inside and all of the outside, but I did not sweep the floors because I swept them in the last video, and I do not have a dishwasher. So I didn't have to do that. But if you have a dishwasher and your floor is dirty, then just add those to your list, and then we will be done with all the cleaning. And y'all just wait till we get to the refrigerator. I am so glad I went ahead and cleaned off the shelf that I did, because it was gross, and I'll explain why when we get there.
It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I'll try.
So I declined. I'm telling y'all, I declined to clean this shelf right here with the eggs and the chicken in it, and I put the chicken in a bag because the chicken had juices everywhere. Ugh, so annoying. I was so annoyed. Anyways, you know, chicken juices are just gross. I don't know if I left the chicken in there too long. It's probably been in there for like 4 or 5 days. It went in the trash, okay? 9 of my dollar bills went in the trash because I was just grossed out. I'm like, I'm not eating this. It's sticky and nasty, and is the chicken going to be sticky and nasty? I don't even want to check. So I'm sorry if that offends some of y'all. I'm working on being okay if I offend. Anyways, so I am cleaning this with, at first I did like spray and paper towels. Yeah, that wasn't cutting it. So I went and got my sponge out of the sink that had the Dawn dish liquid on it, and it with some water, and I got it all foamy and stuff to get the stickiness off, and now you'll get an up close satisfying shot of me wiping this down. So hey, if you think your refrigerator is clean, I was gonna say help a sister out, but that's like just filler words. What does that even have to do with this? Help yourself. Help yourself to see if it really is or not, because you never know. There might be some sticky, nasty juices somewhere in there, and you will thank yourself later. Anyways, okay, love you, bye.
I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. Set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on.
Alright, y'all, that wraps up day 2 of the 7-day cleaning challenge, and these are the wax melts I'm putting in: chocolate chip, vanilla, cookie, and then vanilla, because I like to have 3. Anyways, I will see y'all back here tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Here's some more videos up on the screen, and I'll see you later. Bye!